Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Allow your thoughts to slow down as you create space for positivity to enter. Let these words wash over you, planting seeds of success in the fertile soil of your mind. As you listen, imagine these affirmations taking root within you, growing stronger with each passing moment. I define success on my own terms. My potential has no limits. I take consistent action toward my goals. I learn from every experience. My challenges shape my character. I celebrate small victories along my path. My mindset creates my reality. I attract opportunities that align with my vision. I finish what I start. My focus sharpens with each passing day. I trust my instincts when making decisions. My work ethic sets me apart. I welcome constructive feedback. My creativity flows when I need it most. I approach problems as opportunities. My time management improves daily. I surround myself with supportive people. My priorities remain clear even in chaos. I balance ambition with self-care. My resilience grows with each setback. I embrace discomfort as a sign of growth. My discipline carries me through difficult days. I recognize patterns that no longer serve me. My words match my actions. I adapt quickly to changing circumstances. My focus remains on solutions, not problems. I learn skills that advance my goals. My confidence grows from competence. I organize my environment for productivity. My network expands with meaningful connections. I speak with clarity and conviction. My intuition guides my decisions. I release perfectionism for progress. My consistency compounds over time. I find lessons in every failure. My self-talk builds me up. I recognize when to persist and when to pivot. My standards remain high yet realistic. I delegate tasks that others can do better. My morning routine sets my day's tone. I finish each day knowing I gave my best. My habits align with my aspirations. I embrace calculated risks. My integrity remains uncompromised. I stay curious about new approaches. My plans include room for rest and reflection. I communicate my boundaries clearly. My attention goes to what I can control. I recognize my unique strengths. My patience serves my long-term vision. I invest in knowledge that expands my thinking. My gratitude keeps me grounded. I value quality over quantity in all things. My perspective widens with new experiences. I follow through on commitments to myself. My creativity solves unexpected challenges. I build systems that support my success. My determination outlasts temporary obstacles. I seek mentors who challenge my thinking. My attention to detail elevates my work. I balance strategic thinking with tactical action. My authenticity attracts the right opportunities. I recognize the difference between busy and productive. My clarity increases with each decision made. I evaluate results without emotional attachment. My mind stays open to unexpected solutions. I build momentum through consistent effort. My vision extends beyond immediate results. I channel stress into productive action. My environment reflects my aspirations. I engage fully with the task at hand. My courage grows with each fear faced. I welcome change as opportunity. My standards guide my choices. I recognize progress even when it's subtle. My persistence outlasts temporary discomfort. I see obstacles as tests of commitment. My energy aligns with my highest priorities. I act decisively after careful consideration. As these affirmations settle into your mind, notice how your perception of success has shifted. Feel the confidence that comes from aligning your thoughts with your aspirations. Carry these words with you throughout your day, returning to them whenever you need to realign with your vision of success. Remember that true achievement comes not just from external results, but from the person you become in pursuit of your goals.